Howdy y'all, welcome back to Rat's Nest Hot Rods. I wanted to do a unboxing of the Scangrip iView Professional Rechargeable Headlamp with hands-free operation. A little unbox, a demo, and my review after using it for a couple months. So let me open it up here. Pretty basic. There's the light itself, the headband, and then the charging apparatus. I'm going to demo the light. It's got a high and low. It's got the hands-free motion here in a bit. What I liked about this is I wanted one that was rechargeable and LED. I used to use a Coast brand, and I got sick of replacing the AAA batteries in it. While that was a great light, I got sick of replacing batteries because I tend to leave them on and work, 4 or 5 hours and burn them up all the time. Anyway, little demo of the light. Like I said, there's a low and then a high. It's 180 degrees. It lights up everything you need to see really well, I think. Here's the hands-free feature. You hit the kind of looks like a Bluetooth symbol on the one side, or the Wi-Fi symbol, I should say, on the one side, and then you wave your hand one way, the other way it's off, on, off, on, off. In demo purposes and when you're buying this thing, that looks really rad. In the real world, when like you see right now, it's turning on and off, and when you're working with your hands under a car or under a dash when you're doing wiring, it will drive you freaking nuts. So you're able to run it without that feature. I don't use it. I'm going to show a little bit more of that, and then I'll show you the charger, which is just a simple USB cable and then a wall transformer that you can use. But before this gets too far along here towards the end, I do want to say that I really like the headlamp. I recommend it. It was $62 on Amazon. I will put it down in the description below. It's just the hands-free thing. Doesn't work for me, and I don't think it will for you either, unless you have no hands or arms. But who knows, maybe you can get used to it. I could not. So that's it. There's the box. We'll close it up, and then we'll do a little preview of what's coming up here next week. We're working on the quick wire harness install here in Ray's Rusty Rambler. And as you can see, Ray and I have been just sleeping in the car in those sleeping bags to get this thing done and back to his house. So stay tuned for that. You'll see the whole harness go in as best as I can. And as always, peace and grease, sucker.